We're going to check on your spine today. Yeah, we're going to check and see how your body's doing, okay? Yeah, we want to see how it's doing. What do you see? I see some lights. Are you waving? You waving to Mama? You waving to Mama? Yeah. We're going to tilt you up and over. There you go. Yeah. Yay. Good job. How are you feeling? Are you enjoying your adjustments? Oh, yeah. Okay, now I'm going to spin you. Here we go. Yay. Yay. Oh. What did you see? Oh, did you find out one? I wonder what happened to that sock. What happened to that sock? Did you lose it? Did you leave it out there? Yeah. Good job, Addie. Good job. Oh, are you going to get it? Are you going to get it? Wow. Okay, are you ready to turn over now? We're going to turn over. Yay! Whee! Look at you getting that head up. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Good job, Hattie.